What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Can you believe it's been about 3 weeks since my initial review of this mattress? I had no intention of waiting 3 weeks to give you guys this final review, but apparently time goes by really fast when you're on a super dope mattress. Just to run it back a little bit, I received this mattress on about November the 13th. I received it a few days early. I was not expecting it to deliver the day that it delivered. I was expecting it a couple of days later. This is what my bedroom is looking like before the mattress. Very empty. I slept on the floor. Though it did not deliver to my door like it claimed that it would, which was a little annoying, I was okay with dragging it all the way to my building and dragging it all the way into the elevator. Thankfully, we do have elevators that made the process a lot easier for me, but I brought it into the house, unwrapped it, allowed it to inflate, and let it marinate for about 24 hours before I officially laid and slept in my bed. I will say this, the mattress is wrapped very well. It's a bunch of wrapping that you have to go through before you finally get down to the mattress portion. And I had to be careful not to poke my mattress in the process. It did just pop open by itself at one point. And it shocked me a little bit, but after that I unfolded it and that's when it started to automatically like inflate itself. It is currently inflating, I guess. I know you guys can hear that sound, so I'm gonna wait for it. Well, I don't know if I should wait or just take off the rest of the plastic, I'm not sure. But hold on, does this look like a queen to you? Maybe let me just wait. In order for it to inflate completely, you have to take the wrapping off completely. So that's what I did. I did not wait till it was done. This is what it looks like now that it's inflated. Sorry. So far, I'm really digging this mattress. I do feel like it's too soft, but maybe I just need to give it some time to get itself together. I did order a medium firm mattress, and this is a hybrid mattress, which means that it has both springs and foam in it, memory foam. One thing that I really love about it that I noticed while I was unpacking it is that there was no smell. I've watched a hell of a lot of reviews on mattresses in a box, and one thing that people had been redundantly saying about other mattresses is that there is a chemical smell. I smell nothing, which is something that I knew when I ordered the mattress. That's something that I really wanted. I didn't want any chemicals in my mattress. I'm trying to be less toxic, and that's why I chose this mattress, or this company specifically. Now, I'm excited to sleep on it for the first few nights and give you guys a thorough review on how I feel about it overall. But I've already laid down on it, and I like it. It does feel, I think it does, I just need to give it time. I think that this might be the epitome of medium firm. I'm just not used to it yet, so I'll get back to you guys in a few days and let you guys know. But so far, I'm just really grateful to have a mattress.
3 weeks later.
Now that very next day, I think I was supposed to be up at 6. Girl, I didn't wake up till 10. And the rest of the week I was able to wake up around 6, but after that, I can't recall the last time I actually got out of bed before 10 o'clock. The sun just wakes me up naturally when it rises, but even after the sun rises and I'm awake, I'm laying in bed because this bed is so comfortable. Again, this is a hybrid mattress, which means that the bottom of the mattress is full of springs and the top layer of the mattress is memory foam. Now, I have a back that I think qualifies for or as a bad back, so I need that support in my back. I think this bed is a perfect epitome of what medium firm should be. So far, I've been enjoying the heck out of this mattress. I look forward to getting in bed every single day when I'm done working. I love it. I remember going into Mattress Firm, which is where I got this mattress from, but this brand is Tulo, but I got the bed from Mattress Firm. And when I went into the store, I would lay on certain beds that were all memory foam. And I don't know, there's this sinking feeling when you lay on some memory foam that makes me super uncomfortable. I remember laying on one specifically. It was so hard for me to get out of that bed. I need this when I'm trying to get in and out of bed. And I feel like this mattress is just that. I actually prefer my mattress to be on the floor, but because this room is much bigger, I am going to end up putting my bed on a platform bed and, you know, going from there. But I'm expecting nothing to change because the ground and a platform bed, I believe, would be the same thing. I mean, if it's not, I'll let you know. But thus far, I really enjoy this mattress. I will have all the information that you need on this mattress in the description box. This mattress was, this was a good investment, really good investment. And I believe it ran me about $400. And this is a queen size mattress. I really love it. I really love it. There's not much that I dislike about it. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks and I still love it. It's really great. I think the downfall is the comfort, or the downfall can be the comfort, because if you need to be at work, then you probably gonna be late. If you don't have self-control, then you're probably gonna be late. But hopefully you don't have that issue. Hopefully you can wake up and get out of bed even though it feels super, super good in time. Other than that, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. If there are any changes in my opinion, that I will be sure to upload a new video to give you guys my insight. Would I ever try a full 100% memory foam, not hybrid mattress? I don't know. I haven't laid on one yet that I'm absolutely like, oh, I love this memory foam mattress. Not quite. I really love this hybrid mattress. I love the benefit of having the springs as my back support. There are some nights where I wake up and my back is a little sore. I do remember when I went mattress shopping inside of Mattress Firm, I was speaking to the representative or the sales associate, and she was saying that the first few weeks on your mattress are going to be the worst. And I can't tell, baby. If it gets better than this, sign me up. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's mattress review. And if you guys have ever tried a mattress in a box, I would love to know what your experience is like. I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas video. Mwah. I did forget to mention that I do sleep on bamboo sheets. I think that is something to take into consideration on why my sleeping experience has been so phenomenal. No shade to anybody who doesn't sleep on bamboo sheets, but also I think quality sheets play a huge role in quality sleep. So I'll have the sheets that I sleep in linked down below. They're actually, I think Oprah Winfrey has labeled them her favorite sheets, but girl, I see why. I love these sheets so much, but I think I just want to give you guys a fair review. Take all of that into consideration when you are looking at my review and considering this for yourself. It's amazing. If you do not have high quality sheets, then I'd highly recommend to invest in one or some. All right, I'm done now. Bye, y'all.